Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tag Botany. In today's lecture, we will study family Asclepiadaceae or milkweed family part 2. The learning objectives of today's lecture are floral formula, floral diagram, key characters and economic importance. So what is floral formula? Floral formula is a means to represent the structure of a flower using numbers, letters, and various symbols, presenting substantial information about the flower in a compact form. So let us see the floral formula of this family Asclepiadaceae. Bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx sepals 5 gamosepalous or polysepalous, corolla petals 5 gamopetalous, androecium stamens 5 united to carpels, gynoecium bicarpellary, syncarpus ovary superior. This arc is showing the union between the stamens and the carpels, and this arc is showing that the stamens are epipetalous. This is the floral diagram of one of the plant from family Asclepiadaceae, that is Calotropis procera. So here you can see the bract because the flower is bracteate. Then it is also bracteolate, and there are two bracteoles on either side, they are shown. Calyx is having 5 sepals and which are polysepalous and having quincuntial type of estivation. Corolla petals are 5 and they are united, that means union is shown in between the petals, and twisted estivation. Androecium stamens are 5, these are the stamens shown here which are 5 united. Gynoecium is having 2 carpels, bicarpellary and syncarpus, and it is showing the marginal placentation. Then key characters or diagnostic characters or distinguishing characters of family Asclepiadaceae. Herbs or vines with milky sap. This is the most important character of this family, that the plants are comprising or having the milky sap or milky latex. Leaves exstipulate and opposite or whorled. Stipule is not there, and phyllotaxy is either opposite or whorled. Flowers are pentamerous with bicarpellate gynoecium. Corona, pollinia, translators and corpuscula are present. All these are the unique and new terms. Corona means crown-like structure formed from the scales, hairs or processes on the petals or corolla. Then pollinia are the pollen sacs in which pollen is there. Translators and corpuscula, it is the part of pollinium. Fruit is a follicle type. Follicle is a dehiscent fruit in which there are seeds arranged on 2 rows, and it opens by only one suture, that is ventral suture. Silky hairs cover the seeds. So for dispersal mechanism, there are silky hairs which are there all around the seeds. Then coming to economic importance of family Asclepiadaceae. First category is ornamental plants. So Asclepias, you can see here Asclepias with beautiful flowers, commonly it is called as silkweed. Then this is Caralloma, it is also an ornamental plant. Then these are the Ceropegias. These are beautiful and magnificent flowers of Ceropegia, that is rosary vine. Then there are more ornamental plants in this family. Hoya, that is wax vine. Then Huernia, that is carrion flower. Oxypetalum, princess of night. Stapelia and Stephanotis. Another economic importance is fiber used for cordage, twines, fishing nets, etc. can be obtained from these plants belonging to family Asclepiadaceae. Asclepias curasavica, Calotropis gigantea, These are the fibers of Calotropis gigantea. Then Cosmostigma racemosa. Then Leptadenia pyrotechnica, Marsdenia royale, and Tylophora tenuis. These are the fiber yielding plants of this family. Then indigo like dye is obtained from the Marsdenia tinctoria. So this is Marsdenia tinctoria plant, and this is dye extraction, which is indigo in color. Latex obtained from species of Matelia is used as an arrow poison. So latex from this plant is obtained, and that is used as an arrow poison. Then the category that is medicinal plants. Calotropis procera, roots are used against cough. So roots of Calotropis procera are used against the cough. So this is the plant that is Gymnema sylvester, which is having multiple economic properties or medicinal properties. It is anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial. It is used in weight loss, antiviral. It is used in obesity, used in cataract, and it is also having hypolipidemic activities. Hemidesmus indicus, commonly known as Indian sarsaparilla, roots are used in urinary and skin diseases. The decoction of the roots is famous in the villages because the villagers, they make tea from the roots. Holostema radianum, commonly known as Arkapushpi, roots are used in cough and cold. Pergularia demia, commonly called as trellis vine, used as an emetic and expectorant. Emetic means the medicine which is causing vomiting, and expectorant means cough dissolving medicine. Sarcostema acidum, leafless East Indian vine, infusion of roots is used as an antidote for snake bite. Infusion means the roots are soaked overnight in the water, and in morning the water is consumed. Tylophora indica, Indian ipecac or Arkaperni, roots are used in curing bronchitis, whooping cough, and asthma. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed my channel Tech Botany, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.